Hey everyone, it's Miss Scott, the librarian, and I thought I would make a quick video to help you guys find your way to a really cool source that you can use to find books when you're really not sure what you want to read or check out. So first, again, catalog.pisd.edu. We'll start here. And you're going to go, just like we would go to our databases, Middle School Library Resources, go to Literature and Books, and then click on Novelist K through 8 Plus. Now, Novelist K through 8 Plus is really, really cool because once you open the page, you'll see I'm in the mood for books that are, and they give you the book title, the book covers, because sometimes you don't always remember the book that you saw that you wanted to read. You don't remember the title, but if you saw the cover, you're like, oh, that's the one I want. So you'll see this on the main page. You can go through and see these are tabs: moving and spare, offbeat and funny, strong sense of place and character driven, strong female and action packed. If you look down here, you can browse the different genres for the different age groups. But let's go up here. Let's go to this one, Not If I Save You First. This one was on the Lone Star list last year. So let's click on that and see what happens. You'll open it up and you'll see that it was an award winner. It was on the Lone Star list, and it tells you who the author is, and then it gives you a quick description. After 6 years of no word from her best friend Logan, he shows up on the doorstep of the remote Alaskan cabin Maddie and her father live in with an assailant in pursuit. Okay, so her parents, she's hiding with her dad because somebody's trying to find her or him. And Logan just shows up. Okay, if you're in the middle of Alaska, you don't just expect some person to show up like that. It tells you about the writing style, if it's action-packed, it suggested grade level. Then if you want to, you can read the reviews and see what the reviewers say about it. These are taken from different librarians all across the country are sent books, and I think I might do this one day. They get sent books to review, and then they get published in these magazines like Booklist, Publishers Weekly, and that is how we librarians find books to put on our shelves. So you can look that way. You can add more filters if you would like to do that. You can, over here, read alikes. Here are some of the suggested ones, and then you can click on View All, and let's see all the books that are similar to that book that you want to read, or you might want to read. So that is that feature. Also, you could do a search. Let's go back to the home page. You can do a search. Let's say, for example, The Compound, a book that you might have had experience with in 6th grade. There it is. Again, you click on it. It's going to give you all the books that are similar to it. You can look through and see the different series that have that in there, or maybe by the same author, that sort of thing. I also want to show you that you can look for over here to the left. Okay, you can decide what are the books, what are the teen books that you might want to look through. Adventure fiction, horror. Some of you guys come in and you're like, I want a book that's scary. That's a really common request. You can click through and see, okay, well, we have mysteries and thrillers, but then there's several different categories within that. If it's a mystery, teen detectives. I can think of a couple. And they give you some suggestions. Okay? And you can go through those. And then, of course, anything that you find, you would want to go back to the catalog and get logged in and place it on hold if we have it, or search for it. So The Compound, Let's see if we have that. We do, because it's sitting right here. Somebody's turned it in at Bowman. But hey, I got it back. So you can see, here it is, place hold, voila. And that's how you use Novelist to help you find more books that you want to read, since you need to have one for class. And, sometimes you might want to look for something that's similar to an experience you have or you have had. And, maybe you just want to look for that book without even talking to anybody. So there's that. And I hope you guys have a good day. And to put books on hold, get them checked out. I'm here to help. Bye.